Hello everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. Today's kind of a special day because I'm putting together all of my bloopers from the last 50 videos. I can't believe it's been 50 videos since I put out my first blooper video. But I have a ton of fun making these videos. Whether I'm by myself in my room here or with a friend, there's always something goofy that happens. So I really want to share that with you. So I hope you have a bit of a laugh. Oh, am I rolling? I didn't even know I was rolling. Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. Hello everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. What? Oh no, okay. Okay, so now, old mic, hard drive's plugged in, everything's okay, hair looks good. Alright, let's go. Are you kidding me? I was not recording that whole intro. You mean nothing got recorded? Let's try again. Take 4. Hello everybody. Try that again. Oh, I haven't had my mic on for that. Judy, are you ready to be introduced? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a hummingbird. You just missed a hummingbird. This is not easy. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, I should have filmed that because that. Okay, just let me be spontaneous here for a second. That is amazing. Okay, so this. Let's see. The first being how to mark and sew. So sorry. Those are not breakable. Just please work. Just work. Let me get this done. Thank you. All right. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't worry about that. Don't even. And so, do you read Threads magazine? It's also a nice little. It's also a pretty easy area to add. Meaning that the waistband is cut smaller than your actual waist measurement, and so it just kind of. What do you think? I don't know. So it doesn't really need elastic in there to keep your pants up. No, that sounds stupid. The camera is loving you. You look good. The shot does not look good.
I can hide it. See, it's not there.
Just my pretty face.
This is normal.
You're gonna sew your hair. So I still have no voice as I'm doing this, but I'm really hoping I get my voice back in another day or two. Okay. Sewing on this button was zero fun.
Here it is.
Okay, sweet. So I'll just see what I'm doing to this waistband first, okay? Before you start sewing. Okay, where am I? Oh, I should go back to over here. Okay. Okay. I went to Michael's, which is a kind of a. Okay. And there's going to be these circle, like, what do you call them? There's going to be these what do you call it? I don't know. So of course I'll be cutting it. Well, first I better. Hey love, you can come in.
Hi.
You want to be on my video?
No. My fashion sense is
My voice dirty today. It's going to shift. This is a definite. No, that's for the bloopers. And then let's see. So in this, So by the end of this video, you'll be able to. What else? Oh, I got my teeth there. My teeth were bright red. How long did I have that lipstick all over my teeth? And you can use this patch pile stocket, this patch pile. You can use this patch pocket style. No. You can use this patch style pocket for the main bag as well. Number 4 is pattern markings where okay. Okay, relax your mouth. And so look at
Are you recording currently?
Yeah, I am. So that's okay. I can edit all this out. Don't worry.
But then you can have it for your blooper. I do not consent to this.
Let's go a little
For the
closer.
thumbnail?
Yeah. Come a little
Thumbnail?
closer. Yeah, come a little closer.
That's... I'm gonna need a portion of the profits section. I'll take 5%. Do I actually get 5%?
Okay, you
Shake
put your
on 10 is recorded.
You put your arm around me. Good. I think. So I'll link that. Yeah. So, yeah, that's fine. So that's about it for today, I guess, right? Is that it? I think that's it. So thanks so much for watching my blooper reel. It's always fun to look back over the past 50 videos and put a blooper reel together. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you soon back here at Catherine Sews for the next sewing project. And until then, you take care. It's always fun. And I'll see you back here. And I'll see you